Hi everyone and welcome. If you are an international student planning to study in Maharashtra, this video will walk you through the complete registration process on the Government of Maharashtra's Foreign Candidate Registration Portal. This single window system is used by all NRI, OCIPIO, CIWGC, and foreign national students applying for undergraduate and postgraduate professional courses in Maharashtra. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to register, fill your application, upload documents, select colleges, pay your fees. So let us get started. To begin, open your browser and visit fn.mahacet.org. This is the only official portal for international admissions to Maharashtra's professional courses. On the home page, you will see two buttons at the top: a login button for candidates who have already registered, and a register button for new applicants. Since we are starting fresh, we will click on Register. Remember, new applicants must always complete the register process first before they can use the login option. The registration itself is divided into 4 short stages: personal details, gender, student category, and contact details. In the first stage, you will enter your full name exactly as it appears on your latest mark sheet, followed by your father's or guardian's first name and your mother's first name. This is extremely important. Once you confirm and save your name, it cannot be edited again, so please check the spelling carefully before moving forward. In the second stage, you select your gender male, female, or other, and click Next. The third stage is where you choose your student category, and this decision shapes the rest of your application, so take your time. There are 4 categories. The first is Foreign National, second is Non-Resident Indian, or NRI, third category is Children of Indian Workers in Gulf Countries, or CIWGC, fourth is PIOOCI. If you are not sure which category fits you, simply hover your mouse over each option on the portal and the definition will appear. Remember, once you confirm your category, it cannot be changed later. In the fourth and final stage of registration, you will enter your contact details. Start with your active email address, because every login detail, update, and progress notification will be sent there. Then create a password and confirm it. Remember that this password is case-sensitive and will be used every time you log in. Next, enter your phone number with the correct country code. This number will also receive all your application communication, so keep it active. After that, select your date of birth. Finally, type in the verification code shown in the CAPTCHA image and click Register Now. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Once again, please double-check every field, because these details cannot be edited after submission. Once you have registered, go back to the home page and click Login. On the sign-in screen, use only your registered email address as your username. Do not use your mobile number or any other email. Enter the password you set earlier. If you ever forget your password, simply click Forgot Password. Enter your registered email, and a reset link will be sent to your inbox. If you do not see the email, please check your spam or junk folder. Once your email and password are correct, click Sign In to enter your dashboard.